Welcome back to Earn with AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a full YouTube script using AI, step by step. First, you need a video idea. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 viral YouTube video ideas about your niche." Pick one that solves a problem, has high curiosity, or promises a clear result. Next, ask AI to create an outline. Type, "Create a YouTube video outline for this topic," your topic. This gives you hook, main points, ending. Think of this as your blueprint. Now turn that outline into a full script. Prompt, write a 3-minute engaging YouTube script with a strong hook and call to action. Make sure it sounds natural, not robotic. This is where most people fail. Don't just copy-paste. Edit the script. Add your style. Use simple language. Make it sound like you. AI writes fast, but you make it real. Pro tip. Ask AI to improve retention. Prompt, add pattern interrupts and hooks every 10 seconds. This keeps viewers watching longer. Remember, AI is a tool, not magic. The more you practice, the better your scripts will get. Comment, script, and I'll give you my best prompts for free. Follow Earn with AI for more ways to make money using AI.